Hi, this is Natalie Lucier, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in quiz. So this is the type of quiz that you would use to build an email list and also to follow up with people differently based on how they answer your quiz. So I'm going to show you different ways that you can set up your quiz so that you can essentially funnel people through a different follow-up sequence in your CRM or email marketing system. So here we are inside of AccessAlly Pro, and what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've created 4 different opt-in boxes, and they all look slightly different, and the quiz that I'm going to be doing, or the assessment I'm going to be doing, is what season are you? So I have these different opt-in boxes, and they all look slightly different. So as you'll see here, they have a slightly different color. So you've got winter, you've got fall, summer, spring, and they all have a slightly different color. And this is where I would put the HTML for that opt-in box. And we have tutorials on how to do that, and it'll be a little bit different based on which email marketing system you're using. But as you can see, the opt-in box is slightly different based on what season this person would potentially be. So the next part of it is actually creating the quiz. So this is a blank page here on a test website. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose the AccessAlly shortcode adder, and then I'm going to choose to add our quiz. Once we've done that, I'm going to go down here into the quiz settings, and I've chosen to do the personality test, but you could also do a graded quiz. So if people pass or fail, you could add a different opt-in option. So for example, if they are above a certain level, you could give them a certain follow-up sequence. If they're below a certain level, you could give them a different follow-up sequence. You could also do something similar with a scoring test. So if you have different ranges where people could score a different amount, you can also do that. But let's go ahead with our personality test, which would be helpful if you're designing an assessment. So here I have all the different outcomes. So I've got our outcome number 1, which is summer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the embedded opt-in, and like I said with AccessAlly, you can do embedded as well as pop-ups, but these are all going to be embedded. And then I'm going to do the same here for all of the other outcomes. I'm just going to go ahead and match them up with the opt-in that I would want here. So now that I've done that, I'm also just going to show you the different questions I had set up for this quiz. So I had created some simple questions like, what's your favorite mode of transportation? What's your favorite drink? And then I also lined all the answers up with the appropriate outcome that I want people to have. So you can also add as many questions as you want and edit the outcome for all of these. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this particular question and just go ahead and save this and show you how it works. So here is my test page with my quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and choose winter, and we'll see what happens when I submit my answers. So as you can see here, it shows the opt-in box that is related to the answers that I got. Now let's retake this quiz, and let's say that I wanted to go with summer. I'm just going to go ahead and submit these answers, and again, you have a different opt-in box here. And all of these settings for your opt-in boxes are going to be done directly inside of AccessAlly Pro. So you can set up a different thank you page with a different download on that page. You can also set up a different follow-up sequence inside of your email provider, depending on what you're using. So this is a super simple way to build your list faster using a quiz and also following up with people based on their results.